What is going on, everybody? Finance After 40 here. Let's go over Workhorse, what happened yesterday in the option. Everyone are talking about USPS deal. I don't care about the news. The only place, you gotta understand this, the only place that the hedge funds cannot hide is the option market. Unusual options activity is where you go and find the trades to pick. All the news, all of this doesn't matter. Look what we got. Look what we got here. This is from basically yesterday. Timestamp 2:50 p.m. Eastern time. This is the option. Okay, March 19. That's the expiration for the monthly March. 25 put. Okay, you think, hey, you are subscribed to all those nonsense sweeps, dark pools, all this nonsense monthly subscription, and then you just see, hey, there's a sweep, there's a block, they might go up. That's not true. You gotta dig deeper. So if this person did, look how much, 2,000 quantity of Workhorse for this price, $10.63. Take your nice calculator out, dude. 2,000 times 1063, okay, 1,603. This person bet over $2 million, okay, $2 million that by March expiration, the monthly Workhorse, you think will be below 25 because it's a put, it's a 25 put. But let me show you the trick, how I found exactly what happened and what is this $2 million bet, which in my opinion is completely bullish, and they did a 25 put just to basically throw you off your game so you won't see, but they basically sold 25 put. Let me show you exactly how I know that. This is the 1 minute chart. This is exactly where it happened, around 250. okay, nothing major after that. We closed and then we went boop all the way up in this after hour. I don't know if you noticed, but we went all the way up from 15 to 17. And according to this trade, not only that this person, let's go back, not only that this person needs to be above 25, he's betting $2 million that the price will be above $25, and then his 25 put that he wrote, $2 million, will expire worthless. How much above 25 bucks? I do not know. I will bet you this, I do not think that this person, hedge fund company, whoever is behind this trade, made a bet of $2 million after it already dropped more than 50% in the last 48 hours, that it will keep going down. He would not bet 25 put. He would bet, I don't know, maybe 25 put 2 days ago when he had the information. And trust me, they all have the information before all of us. Don't trust me, verify, that's just my opinion. But the main point is that they cannot hide in the option activity log. And this trade was massive, a $2 million bet. And in my opinion, Workhorse will be above 25 bucks by March expiration. Do with this information as you will. We closed the day at 15, minus another 8% after the 50% drop yesterday. We'll see how it goes, but in my opinion, this is a bullish trade, and it was done instead of just buying $2 million 25 calls. They did it to basically disguise them and confuse the retail trader, which is you and me. And that's why, in my opinion, they sold $2 million worth of 25 put for Workhorse. And as long as Workhorse goes above 25 by the end of March, this will expire worthless, and he will collect his maximum income, which is above $2 million basically. This is what happened after hours. You already see the price went from 15 to 17.5, up another 15%. If I bring you guys any sort of value, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Yeah.